is the tragic day of Raji, who lost his girlfriend and she turned lesbian. How do you feel about that, Raji?
I never had a girlfriend, so get away.
I think he's still in denial. He can't accept the feeling that his girlfriend left him for a girl. Wait, I'm trying to make a movie. This is Dr. Justin. So, your response?
Nothing, okay? No, okay.
I think he's going through some emotional pain right now. We'll be back next week, okay? So stay tuned. Goodbye. How do you stop this? How do you stop this? Oh, play. He's gay?
He's asking.
You're gay?
No!
He's in denial still.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I wanna trap.